Mr. Peace. I'm here at Monte Vista Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Bobcats and part of the Vista Unified School District. I'm here for the after-school program, AM/PM. Students and staff have been here multiple times over the last few years, but today was a brand new topic on citizenship. And it's something that I created to really have this focus on being a good citizen for this world, right? But specifically, in our home, in the school, and in our community, right? Like it says on the screen, the picture you see behind me. And, you know, what I'm trying to convey to the students, and I believe they really got that, there was a lot of pin drop moments, a lot of heart-to-heart moments as well. The key is that, you know, we choose to show kindness to everyone around us, including ourselves, but we look for opportunities to be the change and to really lead the change. And the biggest thing that we can offer someone is our time, right? Time is the most precious gift out there. You can never get it back once you give it to someone else. And, you know, whether it's just a simple smile, whether it's holding the door for someone, whether it's, you know, picking up trash, you know, just helping someone up if they fall down. If it's something that simple, that takes just a couple seconds, or something bigger where, you know, you help someone with an entire project, or you help one of your parents, you know, build something. If you go volunteer for a service project within your neighborhood or your city, all these actions intertwined are starting to make this world a lot better place. And so through a series of inspirational videos, the picture slides obviously that reinforce the message, and, you know, just the physical props, the music, everything related to this core concept of us trying to be better people each and every day, right? There's always room for improvement. And, you know, once we understand what our passions are and what we're passionate about, now we can go out into this planet and into our, not just school, but our homes, the cities where we live. If we're traveling somewhere, we always have this opportunity to show this great character trait of citizenship. And for me personally, you know, this is something that's huge. It's something that this world needs a lot more of, needs a lot more kindness. And it needs people to really buy into, you know, being positive influences for this world, right? We can always be that role model, people that look up to us, or maybe they get inspired by the actions that we do. So, you know, for me, it's something that is heavy on my heart. And it was really great to see, you know, everyone's full attention in their eyes, their heart, really hearing this message, right? And really getting it. And again, it's one thing to hear it. It's one thing to want to do it, have that fire inside of us. It's another thing to go and choose to do it, right? And so we have this daily possibility where we're allowed to look for people in need, or maybe we actually go out of our way and just, you know, draw something for somebody, or, you know, just decide to basically include somebody, you know, to be that friend, like the 100% friends that we talked about. And there's always moments, you know, each and every day where we can really see these examples come to play, but we can also always keep looking for ways to make a difference. And so that's what's really awesome for myself, is that when we keep building on these various themes, and a lot of them are interrelated for sure, but this one really speaks volumes to us going and being that change, right? Picking up the torch and going out into this world, and just every day looking for, you know, any small way or big way to really have an impact, right? So again, it was just a beautiful afternoon here at Monte Vista. And I'll be back again 2 more times this school year to keep sharing my heart on some other themes. But until then, you know, have a great few months. Be those strong citizens that I know you're capable of being. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.